We've had 4 contractors out here this week. This is one right here. This is the well digger. He's just got done. We're not getting a whole lot of water out of our 600-foot well, but it is enough water, and so we're probably going to be happy with it and not spend any more money to go deeper. Our general contractor is Willie Byers and his partner Aaron. And all of those windows in that center section right there, they put in this week. All of that siding they put in this week. Over here on this side, the lower windows they had put in before, but they put in that upper window plus all of that siding, and the same thing is true on the other 2 sides of the house. This is our utility room downstairs, and the work that the electrician has done, Frank the electrician, is pretty well illustrated by that tangle of wires. This is where our panel will be. So all of those strands of wires are running all the way around the house, all 3 levels of the house, and that's what he has done pretty much all this week. The 4th contractor has been Thomas of Truss Works, and this is what Thomas has done basically all week long. Those rafters up there is what he has put in today. It took the other 4 days of this week for him to get up the other parts of the basic framework. But that's what they've done this week, and that's great. Next week, Thomas will come back on Monday, on Labor Day. On Monday or Tuesday, he will finish the work on the upside of the house and here on the downslope side of the house. Where that black line is running across there, that's where the deck is going to go. And that's all fairly straightforward. It's a 6-foot wide deck that extends along there. But the part of it that I want to be in Montana for and not watching Thomas work on it is when he puts 2 posts up there and he puts a truss up there at the top, and then he puts 3 beams that are going to extend from the side of the house to help support the truss and the posts. They've safely done the work so far, but this is a lot higher exposure here. That should be happening next week. Willie will do more siding. When the electrician gets done, then Willie will bring in the HVAC sub, which is the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, and they'll do their work. And then insulation will be after that.